This Kashmiri doctor was planning something much bigger in Delhi than the Red Fort terror attack. That's what the police have said. There's too much information on this Delhi blast everywhere, so let's crack it together in this video so it all makes sense at the end.
Okay, so first, how do we even know it was Dr. Umar Nabi who was behind this attack?
So there's now proof that he was driving the I-20 car that exploded right in front of the Red Fort and killed 13 people. The DNA test of a body from the blast site has matched with this doctor's mother. But this doctor wasn't alone. The police say he was running a white-collar terror module to plan even bigger attacks in Delhi.
But who is this doctor and what are his terror links?
So about 2 years ago, this Dr. Umar Nabi joined the Al Falah University, Medical University in Faridabad as an assistant professor. This university, mind you, is just about 50 kilometers away from the Red Fort. And this Dr. Nabi was allegedly running a terror module from this very university. A module of highly educated professionals like doctors who never come on the authorities' radar.
But where is he originally from?
Jammu and Kashmir's Pulwama, the same place where 40 CRPF Jawans were killed in a suicide bomb attack back in 2019. And you might not even believe this, but this Dr. Umar Nabi was among the state toppers in NEET PG in Jammu and Kashmir.
You said he wasn't alone. So who were the others in his group?
Yes, the police arrested another doctor who worked at the same university in Faridabad with Dr. Umar, and he was also from the same village in Pulwama. His name is Dr. Muzammil Ahmed Ghanai. And in fact, 7 people in total were arrested before the Delhi blast for allegedly being a part of this module.
That's scary. But was this module limited to Faridabad?
So we don't know how big this truly could be, but just a day after the Red Fort terror attack, the police also arrested a Lucknow-based woman doctor in this case who also worked as a professor at the same Al Falah University. Her name is Dr. Shaheen Shahid Ansari. Her car was allegedly used by this group to carry explosives, and even an assault rifle was found in her car. The others arrested were from Jammu and Kashmir and Uttar Pradesh, so you can imagine that this could have been a multi-state module.
But they've got to have some big terror group backing them, right?
Well, that's the most important part of this story. Stay tuned for that in part 2.